Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, we are going to see love in the general message for the Aries. So watch this video if you're an Aries, Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus, or if you're dealing with one. Keep in mind these are general readings, so it may or may not resonate. If it do not resonate, do not try to deliberately fit and check in any other placement. If you want to have a personal reading, link in the description. If you want to follow my Instagram, the link is in the description. Now let's see messages for Aries, please. Give me present energy for Aries. Magician. Wow, this is beautiful. Some of you might be manifesting a lot these days. You're just very concerned in making things happen for you. Some of you using all your skills to make something happen. It's like you're very dedicated to have something in your life. You're using all your skills, knowledge, whatever, and you're just trying to make something happen. The good news is that you will make it happen. So whatever you have your eye on and you want to basically get something achieved, I see you're going to get it. All right. Some of you, someone around you might also be doing some sort of trickery, so be very careful before trusting somebody blindly. Page of Cups. Some of you are manifesting a communication or an apology or a message from someone, and you kind of know that there is a person who is stalking you. So it's like you know that somebody is stalking you, and they are already trying to get information about you, and you are just hoping that this person kind of comes in the light and this person tells you openly what they want, or maybe apologize for their behavior in the past, because you already know that this person is anyway stalking me. So it's better that they just come to me very straightforward and tell me what it is. All right, some of you, you've had a breakup recently, maybe 3 weeks ago or 3 months ago, and it's like the past wound is resurfacing. Maybe you were just trying to forget this person, but then somebody told you that your ex was talking about you, or maybe you caught your person stalking you. Something about this person is resurfacing, or you're just reading old messages and it is making you feel the pain once again. So that is why you feel that anyway this person is trying to stalk me or gather information about me. Why can't they just come straight forward to me and apologize? It would be better. So that is your energy towards them. Okay. Ace of Wands. I see your person is very indecisive when it comes to taking an action. So some of you, you're like literally dealing with another fire sign, Aries, or some of you it's a Gemini, could be a Libra, Aquarius, Cancer, Pisces, Scorpio is here. No earth sign so far, but yeah, I see that the blockage with your person is that they cannot make a decision very quickly as you. Like you being an Aries, you're so passionate, fiery, driven, that whatever you set your mind to, you just go after it. But your person, on the other hand, they have a problem taking initiative. So somebody has a problem of initiation, and this is why the things are getting delayed. And you being an Aries, you're losing your shit because delay is something that you don't like at all. You want things to happen very quickly. You just want this person to come forward and give you what you want, the apology, the message, clarity, whatever. And you're like, why is this bitch dragging things so much? Why can't this person hurry up? Can't this person see the world is ending? I'm sorry. All right. What else? Oopsie. 9 of Wands. Yeah, this is your goal. You just want this person to lower up their guard. You just want this bitch to lower their guard and tell you for what it is. You do not want to go in circles. You do not want your life to be stuck in this process of waiting for a message. You feel that if this person has done something wrong, like when they were doing wrong, they were not taking so much time, they just did it, and now why can't they just ask for an apology, or they give a clarity at the same speed? So you are wanting this delay to be get over, and you just want this person to tell you what it is, and you're really tired because this person is taking a hell lot of time. World card. You just want this chapter to complete so that you can move forward. You're just hoping that this person will tell you what it is, and then you can decide whether to move forward, whether to give this person a chance or whatsoever. Some of you are also waiting for a move, like an abroad travel. So you're waiting for your visa, your, I don't know, some sort of confirmation, some documentation, or an opportunity from abroad, whatever it is, and you're desperately waiting for it, and things are taking a lot of time, and that is kind of causing you anxiety. Okay, what happened between Aries and this person in the past? King of Wands. There was a lot of passion between you and them. Some of you definitely messing up with another fire sign, or this person acts like a fire sign, even if they are not a fire sign, because you see, we have 3 fire sign cards very prominently here. So I see there was a lot of passion between you and then some of you, this person is a fire sign just like you. and that is why you had a great chemistry. Then what was the problem? What was the problem? What was the obstacle? The obstacle was that your bitch was having multiple faces. You were dealing with someone who had multiple faces, like a multi-faced bitch. And as soon as you wanted them to open up and give you the clarity, this person ghosted you. Some of you, this person took your money and ran away. I see that. Who the hell were you dealing with? What the hell was this? Someone was just trying to hide things from you a lot, and that was actually keeping you stuck because this person never gave you clarity. And you were like, what the hell? You are feeling very betrayed by this situation, and you're feeling that this person is unnecessarily creating drama in your life. You feel this is unnecessary. Why is this person acting so immature? They can just say things. Okay. What is Aries' next action towards this person? Four of Pentacles. And the Death card. You are holding back. You're detaching from the situation. You do not want to make a decision from your end. You feel that you are not the one who ruined this connection, so why should you be the one to do anything to fix it? You feel fixing this connection is not your part of the job. Some of you, if this person took away your money, you're just protecting your money because you don't want to get robbed again. Yeah, but when it comes to expression, you're not expressing as much. You feel this person has done the damage and they should be the one who should be fixing it. You do not want to open up to this person. Some of you, by the time this person is back, you will have another choice in love. So you will find yourself stuck between two opportunities, and then you will have to make a choice. And in general also, Aries, I see that it has been some time that you're stuck on this person and things are not moving forward. If something is not working, let go. Take your leap of faith. Go towards something which makes more sense. What is the point of staying stuck? What is the point of waiting for someone who's not even looking at you? Or who's not even honest? Like, this bitch is not honest. Whoever you're dealing with is not honest. And you definitely know this. That's why you don't want to go back to this person. You're like, what's the use? The time that I will waste on this person, I will do something for myself. That is why you're just holding on to yourself from reaching out to this person. You have really transformed as a person in the whole situation. This person changed you. You've become a new person. You feel that your new self is completely different to what you used to be when you were with this person. You're also trying to balance your life because I keep on seeing Two of Pentacles while shuffling. So I see that your whole focus is to balance your own life. So it's like you don't want to go back to anybody to fix anything. You're like, let me just fix my life. And let me just make things happen for myself. Let me just fix what I can fix. And let me just leave what I can't. You know, you don't want to basically take everything in your hand and then control it. You don't want to do it. You're letting loose. Okay. What is this person's intentions towards Aries now? Six of Cups. This person wants to talk. Some of you, if it's a water sign especially, I see this person might actually give you gifts, or they would try to woo you with gifts. I see this person is still very quiet, but they would want to reach out to you. They are right now contemplating as to how they can reach to you. This person is unnecessarily rude. You know, they think that if they will be rude, they will appear very hot, but this person is mannerless. You're dealing with someone who's mannerless. Unnecessary drama. 10 of Swords, see? Unnecessary drama. This person is unnecessarily quiet. They want to express, but they don't know how to. And because of this, the whole reading is going down. This person is also someone who just tries to run away from, like every time they're confronted, they run away. A ghost. Okay, so next action of this person towards my Aries. Page of Wands. They want to talk, but they don't know how to. Some of you definitely fire sign. You are messing up with a fire sign, air sign. There's Scorpio very strongly here. We have Cancer, Pisces very strongly. Gemini very strongly. This person wants to talk, but I see this person is very immature. Very immature individual. Some of you, this person is younger to you. Or they're just immature. They're like a kid, you know. Yeah, Emperor. You are coming as an Emperor. This person is coming like a page. You guys are not on the same page. Wow, that was a rhyme. You want this person to come correct. That's all you want. You don't want anything else. You just want them to come correct and be fair and give you your answers and balance things. Like whatever imbalance they've created, you want them to balance it. And this person thinks that's even a lot to ask for. Chariot. Some of you, this person was a control freak, like they just wanted to control you, dominate you, and that is something that ruined the connection. And this person is very emotionless. You're dealing with someone who's very emotionless, very practical individual, and very emotionless. Like they just think everything from their brain, nothing from heart. So they don't indulge emotionally into the connection. And I see that you are just trying to be strong now. You are in this chariot energy. You're like, fuck it. If this person cannot give me what I want, I will not wait for them. So you're just trying to move on. But it is very difficult. Mentally, you are stuck, Aries. It's difficult for you to break free from this 8 of Swords energy and move forward. Though you're trying really hard. Some of you also want to change your location because you do not want to live in the same location. It reminds you of this person. So you don't want drama. So what is coming towards Aries in future? 9 of Pentacles. This is beautiful. I see a lot of money coming towards you. I see a new job opportunity coming towards you, and I see happiness coming towards you. And of course, communication. I see, what I see that you are turning this pain into passion and you're trying to do something for yourself, which is a good thing. You have really elevated yourself and you will continue to do so. You're making good money. You're very focused on your stability and you're being on your own happiness. You are not waiting for someone to come in and make you happy. You're just being your own happiness. You're balancing things for yourself. You're being in your own element and you're becoming your own light. I see someone wants to communicate, but you won't be as bothered because you're very focused to make your life better. Somebody communicating with you or not does not matter to you anymore, and it will not matter to you in the future. I see you very, very self-independent, very brave, very strong, very self-sufficient. You have your finances sorted in August or moving into September. Your money looks really good. You will have your life sorted. You're already working on it anyhow, and I see you will do much better. Your life is going to elevate. But when it comes to this person, they don't want to let you go. They will keep showing up into your life until you talk to them. So somebody wants to desperately talk after missing an opportunity. This person might still be a fuckboy, so be careful. Because they have passion for you, they have emotions as well, but they are more about fun, This person is still the same when it comes to their attitude. Nothing has changed. See, 5 of Cups. It might just give you some sort of unnecessary disappointment, so be very careful. Some of you are just delaying a decision. Like you know that you should do something, but you're not doing it, and that is kind of keeping you stuck, and that is not letting you move on. If you just close your eyes to an adversity or a problem, the things will not change. So you need to remember that, alright? Closing your eyes is not a solution. So I see that. Some of you will have a choice to make. So whatever you're delaying till now, you will have to make a choice. And I see somebody wants to talk. Like this person will tell you things like, I love you, and I want to talk. Some of you, this person will try to approach you through your friends. So keep an eye. This person has emotions and feelings and whatnot. But you are trying to retreat. You're trying to disconnect. I see you are in this energy of disconnect. Some of you, this person is very childish or they have a child. Children are an obstacle, or a child-like attitude is an obstacle. I don't know. This could be the one in unrequited love. Oof. This person might come to you and they might tell you things like you are the one for them, but you'll be like, I don't want you. You feel there is no enough attraction and chemistry left for you to explore because you're kind of done with their shit. You're like, bitch, I got no time for you. But this person will like, no, you're my soulmate and I want you. Some of you, this person is going to ask for forgiveness, healing, I don't know. But yeah, I see that more or less you are not interested. You're like, I'm going to figure out my own life. I don't want you. So you are in a very detached mode. You're like, I don't want you, I don't want you, I don't want you. But this person's like, I need you, I need you, I need you. All right, any advice for Aries? 7 of Cups. Clear your confusion. You are very confused, or this person will try to confuse you. Have your mind straight, all right? Don't try to make decision in impulsive way. Try to get clarity and then go for whatever you want, all right? Also, don't try to build castles in the air. If something is shown to you, see it for what it is. Don't try to wear rosy gold glasses and don't try to paint everything pink and sparkly, all right? That's your reading and that's your message. So yeah, I see money, happiness, stability improving, but when it comes to love, I see that you gotta be a little cautious because this person is coming towards you, but you need to assess if they've changed or are they the same. All right. So I'll see you next week. You guys take care. Bye.